This winter there's a chaos in my cat shed and I wanted to be able to use the same Burandt bag on the Alphas. This would normally be easy because you just buy the Polaris mounts and stick them on any brand snowmobile, but I also wanted to be able to use the original cat bag on the Alpha. The answer was to bolt on the Polaris front bracket, shift the out the cat mounts and put spacers under the rear brackets. So the indent on the Burandt bag clears the first cat mount, the spacer clears the second one, and voila, good to go.